How to fix auto lock grayed out on iPhone settings. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll below again, and as you can see that the auto lock has been disabled. This might be because in your mobile device low power mode is turned on. So in order to turn that off, head back to settings. Simply go ahead and tap on battery, and as you can see low power mode is toggled on. Simply go ahead and toggle that option off, and once you do that, head back to settings again, tap on display and brightness, scroll below, and as you can see that the auto lock is not grayed out. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.